Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about how to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. I'm using Canva application to create a thumbnail. After opening, press the plus symbol. Then select YouTube thumbnail size.
Okay.
Now, press the plus symbol, then choose image or text. Now, I'm taking image. I already downloaded this image from Pexels. Adjust the picture for the thumbnail size. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, boy.
And I'm attaching already prepared thumbnails for good looking. Attach as you like, how many pictures as you want, but make it simple.
Stop it. Get some help.
Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Good-looking thumbnails make your videos more attractive. I am giving a little touch of my creativity, adding lines and boxes, stuff like that. Just pick whatever you want, but pick the right one and keep it simple. Here we go, I picked this one. See how I use this, as simple as possible. I'm using it like a thread, which is held to picture to the corner. Now coming to the final moments, by adding text to it. Adjust the text, by choosing which type of font you want. You can change as much as you can, like different fonts, colors, and size adjustments. You can use various colors to texts. I'm trying to get a good color for my text. I want to pick white color for my text. So I picked it, and I'm gonna keep my text in white color. You can pick which color you want. Alignment is important, so align your text for good composure of a picture that suits to your thumbnail. Now, the ending of this video is starting.
Oh my god! Even though they're from... Oh my god!
Here I'm adding on my thumbnail, is how to create thumbnails for YouTube and mobile.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Alignment of text is very important. Now it's completed. You can save it by clicking download button on top.
Oh my